Hey everyone, Brian Freeman with Freeman's Construction. Hey, today we're going to go through video number 5 of our Custom Home Building Cost Guide series. We're going to be talking about the build costs. So what's it cost to actually build your home? So we like to break it into 3 different parts. The living space of the home, the garage space, and the covered porches. They all cost a different price per square foot to build. So when we break it into 3 different parts, we find it's the most accurate way to actually project what the ballpark number would be to actually build the home that you're wanting to build. So when we go back to living space, right now we're seeing somewhere in the average cost per square foot are running anywhere between $150 a square foot to $250 a square foot. Now your $150 a square foot range is going to be more of an average level of finish. Okay, when you get up to the $250 a foot range, it's going to be more of your luxury, upgraded, and it can go much higher than that, but somewhere in that range is where we're finding a lot of the homes falling today. The garages, those are going to be finished garage spaces, and they're going to have drywall, they'll have electrical, and probably some baseboard in them. And those are going to run somewhere in the ballpark about $85 a square foot to $100 a square foot. So that's the garages. Now we'll go to the covered porches, and those are going to run somewhere in the ballpark of around $45 a square foot to $65 a square foot. And that will vary depending on if the actual covered porch, they have any exposed beams or tails, if they have any tongue and groove on the ceiling outside. So varies on how that's constructed as far as the price per foot there. So that's what we're seeing on average. Now, what we recommend for all of our customers that we're actually building for is that you go through homes with us that we've actually built, that we can show you that, and you can see the level of finishes in these homes. And that way you can take a look at them and go, hey, this is really close to what we're looking for as far as finishes in this home right here. And then we can go back to our build costs that we had for that house, and we can see what the price per square foot was for that home. And then we use that, we take the living space of that home and multiply that by that price per square foot, and that's going to give us a super accurate number as to what it's going to cost for your home on the living space. And we'll do exactly that for the garage and the porch space as well. So we found that that's a super accurate way to get real close, actually on a ballpark number on the very front end of your project, so we can start the design process and get the things moving with your plans and getting your home built. So that's the build cost, price per square foot, to build the home, the garage, and the covered porches. So next week we are going to be talking about actually what affects the price per square foot. So what can we do to control the price per square foot for building the home, and then what actually, as far as the design and the level of finishes, will really push the price up in the price per square foot. So we will talk about that in our video next week. And in the meantime, if you want to get a hold of the custom home building cost guide that we have, it's a copy of it right here. You can actually go to our website at tfgonline.com, and you can download this right now. So feel free to do that. It has information on permits and fees, site costs. You're going to go through the design. It's going to cover the what affects price per square foot like we just talked about, and also will cover these build costs that we covered as well today. So so that's it for today. Thank you again for watching, and we will look forward to talking to you next week.